Was I not recording? So great, I'm starting with a blooper. What we're trying to do is add icicles to our winter scene. I was taking a look at the diorama just a few minutes ago. It is a winter scene, and I just noticed on the house and on the bridge, I was adding some lighting to the bridge. I noticed there was no icicles. So that's what we're going to do. I just thought maybe if we get the hot glue gun and stretch out some beads, it'll be used for icicles. So that's what we're doing, and we'll see if it works. So you apply a little bit of glue and you stretch it out and ease off just slightly till you get the length you want. This one may be a little bit too long for the house. Wait, is this recording? Yep. Okay, good. Don't want to go through that again. I think the rounded fatty parts I'm going to clip off with some flush cutters. We'll flatten the end. Okay, that's plenty. Let's see what it looks like on the house and on the bridge and see if we want to continue with this or not. So I'm not sure if I want to use the hot glue gun or CA glue to stick these little icicles on. We'll try the hot glue gun first and see if it works. If not, we'll move over to the CA glue. Okay, where are my tweezers? I need my tweezers. So just add a little dab of glue to the end here and attach it to the roof. And voila! That looks pretty cool. Just a little dollop. We'll clean up these threads after. Let me fix that. This actually looks pretty good. I don't think I need the CA glue. This is working well. Let me try applying it with my right hand. It'll be better. Come on there. Come on, stick. Let's try applying a couple to the lower roof portion. This is an original idea, boys and girls. I haven't seen this anywhere. And not sure how good it looks in the camera, but up close here, it looks fantastic. Okay, let me add one or two more here and then we'll move over. I'll add this big one here, right here. Let's take a roll on over to the bridge here. Camera's attached to the new dolly that I just made. I'll add the link below. Ooh, we got some backlighting here. This will look way cooler. Let's just add one more to the bridge here, and then we'll move over to the bear cave. I'm only adding one or two just for presentation purposes. I'll complete this later on. Come back. Well, let's try that one again. That looks great. Okay, bear cave. Come on, Dolly. Let's move over. Mr. Bear, it's winter. We need icicles on your cave. Mr. Bear, wake up. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit here. I think I need to go back and make some more icicles. I'm running out. What do you think, Mr. Bear? Okay, well, this was a little quick and dirty, actually. This was a short and frosty. I really like the way the house looks. That looks real. Doesn't it, Santa?